Today is Parade Day, a new Lift to Living event, a high-stepping day in food keeping, in food freezing, a new design for living, features to turn kitchen days into holidays, unsurpassed quality and performance, sparkling new styling, a great new fiesta of colors, new tradition-breaking conveniences. Join the crowd, follow the parade, and see representative models of refrigerators that anticipate your every need and mood. Ladies and gentlemen, here they are. Typical beauties of your full line go way out in front line for 1956. Brand new models and new sizes to help you cover your market needs. And so many feature innovations. Impact styling. Creations of the nation's stylist leaders. Family resemblance styling that boldly breaks with the traditional past. Vivid color contrasts. Spectacular as the rainbow. The beautiful made more beautiful with new exterior treatment. Modern invitations to open the door, new pride in signature, and across the line, new eye-dazzling interiors. So much room for storing foods, so much space between those handsome aluminum shelves. Interior freezer light, 2 food storage baskets. This year, each comes all the way out for maximum convenience, maximum accessibility. And of course, Frigidaire's amazing new ice ejector for instant ice cube service. Yes, no other refrigeration service offers so much in user convenience as the cold pantries. No other serves you so swiftly, saves you so many hours for pleasure. No other offers so many milestones in refrigeration. And now, climaxing all the glowing beauty of the Frigidaire Imperials for 56, a brand new feature, versatile, imaginative. Refrigerators that change their color and at your slightest whim. You thrilled to these smart chrome decorator panels on models with glowing exterior colors. Now, thrill to the magic of breathtaking color on white. Yes, a convertible refrigerator is yours through a wide choice of gay, striking color accents. Vivid, eye-catching, bold. Yes, Frigidaire refrigerators put on a new face as easily as a woman puts on her makeup. Changeable snap-on decorator panels. Exclusive with Frigidaire and new for 1956. Here in all their beauty, representative models of the quality line. Unmatched anywhere in appearance. Unmatched anywhere in value. Unmatched anywhere in performance. No wonder the big parade is to Frigidaire.